In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save ElevenLabs TTS audio to your device as MP3 and WAV. By the end, you'll have generated speech from your text in ElevenLabs and save the audio to your device in either MP3 or WAV format. First, log in at elevenlabs.io. On the homepage, click Login, then enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your ElevenLabs dashboard. Next, go to Text to Speech. On the top or side navigation, click Text to Speech to open the editor where you can create audio from text. Type or paste your text and select a voice. Click into the main text box and paste your script or type directly. Then, choose a voice from the voice list. If there's a drop-down or a panel of voices, click the voice you want so it's highlighted. Make sure your text looks correct on screen before you continue, since the audio will follow exactly what's in this box. Click Generate to create the audio. You'll see a short progress indicator while ElevenLabs processes your text. When it's done, an audio player will appear with your newly generated TTS audio. You can press play to quickly confirm it sounds right. If you need to fix a typo, you can edit the text and click Generate again, but only proceed once you're happy with the result on this screen. After generation, click the Download button. Look for the download control near the audio player. Click it to open the download options for your file. Choose your preferred format, MP3 or WAV. MP3 is a compressed format that creates a smaller file size and is widely supported by most devices and apps.
The people who are crazy enough to think
WAV is uncompressed, so it's larger but preserves full audio quality, which can be useful for editing or professional use. Click the format you want so it's selected. Save the file to your device. Your browser will open a Save dialog or start the download. If you see a dialog, choose the folder where you want to keep the file. Optionally rename it so it's easy to find later. And click Save. If the file downloads automatically to your default downloads folder, you can open that folder to confirm the audio is there. The file extension will match the format you chose, either .mp3 or .wav. At this point, you've logged into ElevenLabs, generated your text-to-speech, downloaded it, and saved it to your device as MP3 or WAV. Your ElevenLabs TTS audio is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.